Welcome to the Royal Air Force's 60-second update from the RAF Falcons parachute display team.
RAF aircraft are en route to Exercise Griffin Strike to test the readiness of the combined UK and French Joint Expeditionary Force to deploy worldwide. Working with our allies hones our skills and strengthens our ability to deliver global security. The Chief of the Air Staff visited Romania to award the wider service medal to personnel deployed on Operation Biloxi, providing NATO air policing over the Black Sea region. The new medal was introduced earlier this year and recognises armed forces personnel and civilians working outside the traditional criteria of existing operation medals. Exercise Hades Warrior is the flying phase of training for weapons instructors. Held at RAF Leeming, the personnel from all three services who take part are well fed by No. 3 Mobile Catering Squadron, who will serve nearly 5,500 meals over the 12-day exercise. Part of the RAF Global Enablement Support Force, 3MCS provide the catering capabilities to maintain and sustain operations around the globe. On the 13th of July, RAF Cranwell hosted the RAF Officer Training Academy Intercollegiate Games. Hosted by the RAF this year, 240 officer cadets from the RAF, Army and Navy compete in 7 sports to find an eventual winner. Congratulations to the RAF.
And that's it from this week's 60-second update from the Royal Air Force Falcons parachute display team.